Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Shivhacks here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be checking out the Lumary Smart Ceiling Fan Light. This is a 52-inch smart ceiling fan that combines cooling with some pretty unique lighting features. Besides the main LED light, it also has a RGBAI light bar on the top and a separate spotlight in the center, giving it a much modern look compared to a traditional ceiling fan. Now, as you saw from the descriptions behind, it has up to 2600 lumens of brightness, and it also supports an adjustable warm and cooling white light, while the RGBAI light adds customizable colors and dynamics. And this fan has so many more features that we will dive in later in the video. But now let's unbox the product and check it out. And also, thank you so much for Lumary for sponsoring today's video and sending me this amazing fan to check out. And as you can see, I picked out the white color for this fan because I think it looks pretty modern and pretty nice and suits well with my house environment setting. So let's go now, unbox this fully, and let's check out each and individual product. Let's hit it. Alright, so here's what we got out of the box. First of all is a little coupling canopy. It's like a little cover that covers like some of the wires and stuff. Then we have a little lid, and then we have a metal mounting bracket with the earthing cable on it as well. This is like the very main thing that gets attached to the ceiling and to the electrical box so that the fan hangs from it. Then here is a cover that covers like all the control boxes and all the wiring and stuff. This is like a short down rod extension rod, and there's a bigger one as well with also an earthing cable. So this is all required stuff that you need when installing the fan. Here is the power module control and also the remote control as well. Here's what the power module looks like with all the wiring and everything. And then here is the remote control. And it does take in 2 AAA batteries. Here is the stand for the remote control as well. You can screw it in or you can glue it on. And here is the big massive motor, the center main whole thing of the fan with all the wiring and everything. Here you can see is the motor, and it spins really nice. Here you can see are the fan blades. Now they do come in 2 colors. There's a wood look, and then there's also a plain white look as well. And then finally on the bottom left side are all the screws and attachment stuff that you need. Alright, now let's screw on the blades to the motor. So one by one I will screw on all 5 of the blades. Right over here, as you can see, there are these screws included as well. Alright, now the 5 are done. Now let's open up the light control panel, and here you can see are the LED lights. This is the downward facing light. So what you have to do is take out these 3 screws, and then you have to place it on, connect the wire, and then put all the screws back in place. Alright, now once that's done, put the cover back on. And here is the finished product. Now what I did is drill a hole in the ceiling because I didn't have any connection. So then I had to take connection from one of my smoke detectors. So then I removed that, and then I fished a wire from all the way over here to all the way over there, and it came out. And now I will do all of the wiring procedure as well. So I installed the metal clamp on the ceiling, which is like the main clamp, and then also install like the extension rod and everything on it. Also connected all the wires, and then go on from there and then put it mounted all on the ceiling. As you can see, it should just look just like this, nice and simple. And then make sure all these screws are tightly secured. Now you can just hang it from the ceiling right now, Do all the wiring procedure and then clamp it on when you're finished. And this is what it's supposed to look like. As you can see, it looks pretty clean, it looks very modern, and I honestly like the design of it as well. And then here you can see this is how it looks, Lumary logo on it as well. Now let's turn this thing on. Alright, and boom, here it is powered on, as you can see. Now this has 6 fan speeds like I mentioned before, so this is running on the 6th fan speed. Alright, now that I picked up the speed, now let's turn off the main light, and then here is the RGBAI light bar. As you can see, it can do all sorts of effects and all sorts of colors, up to 15 million different types of colors. So as you can see, you can go through all the colors from the remote control, but there are way more features that you can do from the app, which I will show you later. But as you can see, I'm cycling through all the colors, and here is the RGBAI mode, which like you can do like so many different types of lighting effects, and you know, this rainbow lighting effect, or you can do this. There's so much more in the app as well. As you can see, all of these lighting features look pretty insane, but wait till you check out the app. Alright, so here's the app, and it's called the Lumary app. And I've already paired this fan up, and also you can see I have 2 additional products from Lumary. You can check out the videos right up here in the corner. This is one of the rope lights and a smaller ceiling fan, but this is the ceiling fan right over here. As you can see, you can turn on and off the color. You can change all the colors, whatever you want. There's about 15 million different types of color combinations you can choose from. And then here's also the center light, which goes from warm white to all the way to cool white. You can change the brightness and everything, as you can see. And then this is not it, because you can also change the fan speed and everything from here as well on the app. And there's also a mode called fresh mode and nature mode. What nature mode does is that it will pulse the fan speed, so it will go to like 6 mode and then go back all the way to 1, so like kind of like a breeze type of thing. You can also reverse and forward the fan's motor, so if you know, in the winter you can put it to reverse, in the summer you can put it to forward. You can also turn on and off the beep sound as well right here. Alright, you can also sync with music as well, which is pretty good. And here is the multicolor option, which is like the scenes and stuff. So you have a lot of scenes to choose from, which you can choose from the app. Here is one of them. And then here's like another one, fireworks at the sea. So it's kind of like fireworks color. This is Glacier Express, and then rainbow. And they are constantly updating the app and adding more scenes, more features. So there's like a lot to choose from. And yeah, that is basically it for this Lumary fan. Overall, I do think that this smart ceiling fan brings together a lot of modern lighting and practical cooling in a way that is pretty unique. And overall, if you would like to learn more about it, I will have the links down in the description box below for you to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more reviews, and also smart home content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Peace.